It is bun and cheese season, but because my stylist is upon me, I'm not going to be focusing on the cheese. We're going to be talking about the bun and where you can get the biggest and the best bun. All right, so we know a regular shop or wholesale, we know the supermarket, or you can just go to the bakery directly. This is not a promo, by the way, but I'm telling you, mothers, phone bun slap way. Miss Birdie, phone bun slap way. So if no one sends some my way, I'll gladly take it. But I'm telling you, the best link for bun, I'm talking about life-changing bun you will ever get, is from the entity called Jamaican Men. Yes, if you want bun this holiday right throughout the entire year, I'm telling you, find yourself a Jamaican man. Whether it is a taxi, whether it is a teacher, whether it is a soldier, a police, if it's a fireman, as long as he's a Jamaican man who breathes, you will get bun.
Top 6 ways to know if you're a gal